Yeah, it's changed over to sleet. I see a few snowflakes mixed in. So, and people on the road over there. Yeah, it's just sleet bouncing off. That's good. So got a light glaze on everything. Yeah. Still frozen here. Huh. Well, the roads are coated. Doesn't feel too bad. Man, it's a little difficult to walk in. Well, good. Now it's snowing. We just saw, looked like a, yeah, that's a military truck just go by. Not sure exactly where it's going. Now it's stopped. Yeah, it's changed to snow now. Huh. Oh, that's something you don't see every day coming down this road. That might be the National Guard, actually. Here comes another one. Yeah, it's just sitting down there, not really moving. Huh. Well, I guess it's backing up. Okay. Well, now we've got a fine misty snow falling. And just got word that the President has declared the entire state of South Carolina a disaster area. Whew. It must be pretty bad further south. Because overall, aside from just a lot of snow, the ice was minimal. No branches have fallen, which is great. But yeah, this snow, as fine as it is, it's falling now. It looks like a fog. Really something. Oh yeah, vehicles are totally covered. Ice. Yeah. Fun. Oh man. Yeah. Yeah, all ice. Covered by snow. Gee, that is filled up almost halfway. Unreal. Well, I'd like to see the snow totals when this is all done, because we're definitely adding a couple more inches to this. Well, if you notice, once it goes blue, there's a nice band of snow forming to our northwest, heading in our direction. So, yeah, we're not done yet. Looks like the actual low pressure system actually pass right over us. Sweet. Yeah. The goofy neighbors trying to move their Jeep. Whatever. Yeah, it's like a frozen drizzle right now. We're in a bit of a lull. There's still more to come. But, oh, let's see. Well, looks like we've got a little over 6 inches of snow, maybe. A lot of drifts and blowing snow right now. But, yeah, I still feel the drizzle. It's not sleet. And it's 23 degrees now. Continues to drop. Looks like squirrels are out. They're barking. So, yeah, freezing rain or drizzle is starting to fall now. That's not good. Damn it. Oh, lovely, lovely weather. Plenty of bicycles. And things are still simmered down. I actually saw the National Guard truck drive by one more time. Yeah. No sign of it now, but I wonder why they're traveling up and down this road. The big old tire tracks. It's actually still drivable. This is mostly snow. A lot of footprints, people walking. Huh. Oh, isn't that something? Here comes this goof. Same dumbass that raced down the road the other day. Well, I'd love to see him wreck. I'd laugh my ass off. No. There's another goof. Decked out Jeep. Yeah, there goes the National Guard truck again. Oh look, there's Bonix. Loving the snow. Little footprints everywhere. Yeah, looks like she came out of hiding from underneath the shed. You going back under the shed? I came out for a quick meal of tortillas. I'm looking for morsels to nibble on. Too funny. Yeah, it looks like she's gonna go back under. Yeah, digging the snow. Yep, and she's back under. Snow's still coming down. We're getting nice accumulation still on everything. High of only 35 today, if it even gets there, I don't know. So, no idea. Oh, there's one dumbass that looks like he got stuck. Uh-huh. Back halfway down the road, now you can't get back up. Nice job. Yep, the goofs are on the road. What a maroon. Yep. You and your nice little Beamer. Not going anywhere real fast in that thing today, are you? Nobody wants to help either. Maybe if you get it out from the front tires, that might help you a little bit better, buddy. Didn't even kick any snow out from in front. Expects it to roll. Yep. Fine job, fine job. Nice. So like a 4Runner, no problem. Or is that an Explorer? Yeah, it's an Explorer. Too funny. Dude in a Beamer, stuck in the snow. About to try again, we'll see. Nope. You got snow stuck underneath the car because it's such low profile. Yeah, nice. And here comes a... Yeah, go home, dude. Damn, heard a crash and that's what it was. Freaking gazebo just collapsed. Damn it. Ceiling fans broke. Oh man. Well, that sucks. And now the big flakes have returned. This is what's going to suck. There's just no way to get this snow and ice off the way this thing is concaved in now. I think it's still salvageable, but I don't know. Won't know till we get all this stuff off. But with more snow coming down, it's not going to help the situation. And this gazebo was not cheap. So, I don't know. I got to figure something out, somehow try to get some of this weight off of it until everything melts. Man, everything was going fine until this happened. Frig's sakes. Another goof. Getting stuck. Good job. Yep. Shouldn't be on the road. Well, that was what was on top. I don't know if it's going to be salvaged or not, but this fun snowstorm just cost me some money. Now I got to try to save my umbrella next. Crap. It's too much like work. Seriously. That's the best I can do. A lot better than it was, so I think it'll get by till everything melts. Man. I'm ready for a vacation. More. Oh, let me take a breather. It's still snowing out there, but I'm taking a break. I'm tired. Well, there's another one. It's actually gotten to 33 degrees and things are melting a little bit, but people think they can get out in this crap and still drive, but no. Some are getting lucky and some are not. Oh, we managed to get him turned around. Nice job. Goofs, I swear. The roads are freaking bad. How about staying off of them? Well, this will be a project for another day. Snow's got to melt. It's still falling actually, and everything's turning to liquid, so we're obviously above freezing. 33 was the last time I saw. But yeah, I mean the umbrella's alright. The storm's pretty much winding down here, so lovely, just great. Oh man, what a mess. Well, any more fun happens out front, I'll record it, but I'm aggravated, to say the least. Yeah, it looks like it's pulling away. 33 degrees, temperature's increasing, so we're going to see a little bit of melting today. A quick shot of the front porch before everything melts. We had estimates are around 7-8 inches of snow right now total. So did pretty good. Yep, everything's melting. And the roads are still nasty, but they're turning into a lot of slush. That's why I think a lot of people are getting stuck. It's not just frozen, it's getting slushy now. Yep, and now they're going to get stuck. Yep, just like that. That's what you get for slowing down. You had the momentum, and then you had to be a goof. Wow. Yep, I think it'll be a little while before I get out. Yeah, I think they're kind of stuck. Yeah, here comes another one, and he's going to stop too. Look at that. So then he's going to get stuck. And we're getting that one moving a little bit. Well, now that one's spinning. Let's turn him around. Let's gun it. No problem for the 4x4. Oh, what an idiot. If I get stuck on that hill. Oh, what fun. Well, there's another car getting stuck down there. He's going in reverse. That one's trying to make a run for it, but it's too low profile. I don't think it's going to make it. Nope, he ain't gonna make it. Unreal. Try it again. And the old Jeep again. Obviously he's out having fun. Nope, he's not going to make it. Or she, or... Nope, he's stuck again. Oh great, here comes the old piece of crap Volvo. Uh-huh. Wow. What a maroon. Yeah, damn, I wish I had my 4x4 Durango from Mexico for this stuff. It'd be great. Yeah, here comes that idiot again. Tell everybody to get out of the way. He's trying to gun it. And now he's going to turn off. What an idiot. Oh look, another one. Can we make it? And you got these goofs on their cardboard sleds. There's another goof sliding all over the place. Yeah, I figure I better get out here while temperatures are above freezing because they're getting down to 23 tonight. Maybe shovel some of this snow and ice off of the sidewalk so we can at least get up the front steps. Comes another goof. Well, some of them are actually making it. Amazing. More attempting it. Ooh boy. Well, let me just continue shoveling here. Wow, looky there. The sun's coming out. Amazing. There's another goof. Why not? What morons. Back on down the hill. You're not going to make it. Oh yeah, now you're going in the ditch. Oh, the entertainment. Oh boy. This is just going to go around in a friggin' circle, it looks like. Oh yeah, you're just totally stuck now. Hey, moving. Well, almost. Fine job, fine job. And another one's done. Yeah, you're going downhill, you'll be alright. Here comes yet another idiot, but he's already in the curb. So I don't see how this is going to work. Yep, you're done already. Well, that van's got the right idea. Sliding all over the place. Yeah, see, this right here is why, you know, that may sound kind of cruel. I'll help when, you know, it's really needed. But this would be an all-day job, because these people just decide to come out for whatever reason. And then you got the undercover. Maybe he'll help. Yeah. Oh, we got a car stuck. He could probably be here all day. We'll see. I doubt it. Huh, driving on by. Fine job, officer. Fine job. Wow. Yep, that car is still stuck. Looks like everybody's scattered. Probably got the clue. You know, they job helping these people because they decide to get out and challenge the snow in their low-profile cars. Wow. Well, the car was backing up and then it just decided to try to go forward. No matter what, I think you're stuck in the ditch unless you keep going backwards. And what it looks like to me, yeah, you're up against the curb, so you're going to be leaving some marks on your wheels there. Oh, he's going to try it again? Wow. Yeah, he's all over the place. Yep, he's going to get stuck again. Yep, looks like he made it. Goofs, I swear. Got them all over the place here. And I guess we'll go ahead and clear this sidewalk too. Alright, sidewalks are done. That's all I'm going to do. Let the rest melt. And another one. Might make it. Maybe. Yeah, looks alright. Yeah, check out this good old boy. I think he's got it going on. Sure is creeping. For what, I don't know. Well, alright, I guess I'm going to go ahead and wrap up this part 2 of round 2 of the Carolina super snowstorm, or snowmageddon, or snowpocalypse, whatever the hell you want to call it. It's been called everything here. But, yeah. Sure, things will be freezing over. It's getting down to 23 tonight for a low, so that could make for an interesting video tomorrow. People, again, attempting to drive on this road. So, alright, well, until then, adios.